Watkins a Cooper lan o'r cefn, Newman ar ei drod chwith yn ei chrimani ddim mewn at y postyn agosaf, mae'n cael ei chlirio gan Jordan Not. Cottrell yn creu lle ei hunan, ergyd nerthol dar o'r postyn, a dyna'r agosaf ni wedi dod yn y cwarter awr agoriadol. Captain y Barri, Jordan Cottrell, ergyd nerthol trod chwith yn taro'r postyn. Hanner ffordd trwy'r hanner cynta. Cummins, Vincent yn codi, Bale yn cyrraedd y postyn pella! O, cyfle gwych! O! Sut yn y byd mae Bowen wedi methu'r peniad. Y Barri yn dianc a rhwystredigaeth pellach i Caerfyrddin. Newman yn clirio, yn syth at Luke Cummins, ond hwnna ddim yn bas dda. Cummins cyfle mergyd o bell, ac mae'n gwyro! O, Luke Cummins taran o ergyd, o'n i'n meddwl bod hi wedi gwyro, ond patrwm rhediad y Bale oedd hi, nath Mike Lewis ddim symud. Munud ola'r hanner, perygl bob amser o'r ciciau gosod, a'r Bale yn mynd tuag at y postyn bella, a Mike Lewis yn arbed o un o amddiffynwyr y Barri, dwi'n siŵr. Digon o symud yn y cwrt Cosby. Vincent yn dod amdani, dyma Liam Thomas, o! Dros y bar yn pwyso am y nôl. Cyfle gwych i gapten Caerfyrddin, ond yn methu taro'r nod. Liam Thomas at Bowen, Bowen rhwng yr amddiffynwyr, Bowen! O, modfeddi heibio'r postyn, Luke Bowen. Cyd chwarae hyfryd rhwng Thomas a Bowen yn torri trwyddo'r amddiffyn ar ei drod chwith, ond yn ei thynnu ddi heibio'r postyn. Y bas sy'n cael ei tasgu allan at Hwd yn croesi beryglis! O, bediad rhyfeddol gan Lewis Thomas o waith James Dimitrew. Mae Dimitrew yn cael ei gyffyrddiad iddi, ond ydi ddim yn ddigon i giro Lewis Thomas. Cottrell a Dimitrew to hwn, y taro'r postyn, Fahia! A'i gol gynta yn uwch cyngrair Cymru y tymor hwn yn rhoi'r Barri ar y blaen. Ond chwarae teg i James Dimitrew yn troi yr amddiffynwr yn ergydio yn isel yn taro'r postyn. A'r eilydd Drew Fahia sy'n craddu'r Bale heibio i Lewis Thomas. Gavin, many congratulations. A fourth successive win for your team. You must be delighted with the way your team showed such patience throughout the 90 minutes. Yeah, I think that's a great word to describe what we were about today. You know, we've had to overcome a lot, you know. Late arrival, you know, disrupted warm-up, difficult conditions, a really well-organised team. You know, I've got to give Caerfyrddin huge credit there. But I think patience was the key, really, and we found a way to win and showed a different face to us today. So yeah, to go 4 from 4 after the split has been was really pleasing for us.
It's frustrating, like I said, that we did come with a game plan. We thought that it worked well, and disappointed to the way that we conceded. You know, it was a good goal, but I think that we could have perhaps done a little bit better to have stopped it.
When you look back at the season so far, you'd be more than happy to say that you'd be in 7th position and pushing for the playoff spot? Yeah,
I think that's fair. You know, look, let's be totally honest. Our first year back in the top flight, you know, staying up with success. I think we've done that mathematically tonight now, so delighted. But I've said all along, the boys will get stronger because they're learning, you know, learning against good teams, learning against good players. And today's another milestone today, to come away, show patience and find a way to win.
Is this the final nail in the Caerfyrddin coffin?
No, not for me, not at all. We've said the boys that we absolutely keep going. We keep concentrating on what we do, and we see what happens around us, and hopefully we'll do enough to get out of it.